What is up, creators? Want to turn your real-world movements into high-quality 3D animations without a massive, expensive camera setup? Today, we are diving into Rokoko, an ecosystem designed to make studio-grade motion capture simple and accessible for indie animators, game developers, and creators alike. While many of you are searching for how to use Rokoko Vision 3.0 to turn standard video files into motion capture data, we want to be completely transparent. Our current official research materials focus heavily on Rokoko's hardware and studio software, and we have limited hands-on review data for the Vision 3.0 video to mocap tool specifically. However, Rokoko's entire ecosystem is built to streamline your workflow, and today we'll show you how their platform lets you capture, edit, and export animations in minutes. The magic of Rokoko starts with how easily it integrates into your existing pipeline. Whether you are using their Smart Suit Pro 2, Smart Gloves 2, or mobile face capture, the setup is incredibly fast. You just suit up, connect to your Wi-Fi, and you are ready to record. All of your takes are automatically stored in your Rokoko Studio account. From there, the software lets you clean up your animations by correcting footlocks, smoothing out motions, or retargeting the data directly to your custom 3D characters. When you're ready to bring your animations to life, Rokoko makes exporting seamless. You can export your files in standard formats like FBX, BVH, or CSV using skeletons like Newton or Unreal Engine 5. Or, if you prefer working in real time, you can live stream your motion data directly into industry-standard tools like Blender, Unreal Engine, Unity, Maya, and iClone using their dedicated plugins. So, what's the final verdict? On the plus side, Rokoko is trusted by over 250,000 creators globally because it eliminates the need for complex camera rigs and integrates beautifully with almost every major 3D program. On the downside, because we have limited external review data on their specific video to mocap AI tools, we highly recommend taking advantage of their 30-day trial with a refund guarantee to test the software with your own video files and see if it fits your specific workflow. If you want to try it out for yourself and explore their full range of tools, head over to rokoko.com. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more animation tutorials, and let us know in the comments how you plan to use mocap in your next project.